Welcome! In this video, you'll learn all about the in-person and online resources available through the ELAC libraries. In our libraries, you'll find our print and physical collections, including thousands of books, magazines, and DVDs. Most of our collections are available to check out for 28 days, with some exceptions. You'll also find plenty of technology to support your academic needs, including computers, printers, scanners, and copy machines. At the Monterey Park campus, you can also check out laptops and battery packs. There's also plenty of study spaces at both campus libraries, including group study rooms at the Monterey Park campus library. During open hours, librarians are available at the Research Help Desk to assist you with your research. We can help you find a book in the library, navigate databases, or help with your citations. No appointment needed. The Circulation Desk is where you check out library materials. This is also where you can check if your professor has placed their textbook on reserve for your class. Reserved textbooks check out for 2 hours and are library use only. You're welcome to make copies or scans during your checkout period. Be sure to have your student ID or driver's license ready. And remember, only students enrolled in the current semester are eligible to check out items. Let's move on to the library's online resources. The following resources are all available at our library website, elac.edu/library. These are a few of the resources we'll check out in just a moment on our library homepage. Let's head there to get started. To find the library homepage, you can start at elac.edu and click on the library link in the top right. Or you can type our direct link in your browser, elac.edu/library. Once there, let's do a brief tour. Right under the Search Everything, you'll see our OneSearch box. OneSearch searches all of our library collections, including our print books and articles in library databases. For more information on how to use OneSearch, check out our Find Books and Articles in OneSearch tutorial. Next to the OneSearch tool, you'll find the Chat with the Librarian 24/7 tab. Click the tab to connect with the librarian and get research help any time of day or night. Moving further down the page, you'll also see a few quick links, including the link to reserve a group study room, and then our menu of options. The Library Resource tab, which it defaults to, has quick links to our various library collections, including databases, book collections, streaming video, and much more. Let's move over to the Students tab. Here you'll find a link to our library workshops, more video tutorials, research handouts, and much more. Next is the Faculty tab, followed by Library Policies, and an About Us section. Scrolling further down, you'll see a list of recent announcements, and all the way at the bottom of our homepage, you'll find our current library hours and contact information. Now that you've seen the entire homepage, let's hone in on the most frequently used online resources. Scrolling back up in the Explore Library Resources tab, let's check out our A to Z databases. These databases house things like research journals, ebooks, and other digital resources you may need for your research. The most popular databases here at ELAC are linked on the right. When you click on a database link, you'll be prompted to log in before the database loads. If you're not sure which database to use or need help navigating a database, go ahead and use the Chat with the Librarian feature to connect with the librarian. Going back to the library homepage, we also have a link to our research guides under the Explore Library Resources tab. We have research guides for almost every discipline taught on campus, as well as a popular citation styles guide. Use these guides for self-paced and self-guided research help. New to research? Work your way through the Research 101 guide to get research ready in just a few minutes. Going back to the library homepage, let's check out a couple of resources in the Students tab. The Library Workshops link will take you to a page where you can either sign up for live workshops or watch a video workshop. Workshop options change every semester, so be sure to check back often for updates. Back on the Students tab, you'll also find a link to our research handouts. These are simple to understand PDF handouts that you can download or save on your computer, which are meant to guide you through the research and writing process. Stop by the library in person or contact a librarian at 323-415-4134 during our open hours. We hope to see you soon.